good, like, but then something clicked me and said, okay, business runs in your blood.
Like,
Yeah.
For example, I want to start my startup.
Right.
Okay. So what's the basic thing? What's the first step to start up?
Okay. So basic thing, if I say, is definitely an idea.
Okay.
You should be having an idea. Second thing, you should be having time to execute it. Third thing is definitely you should have some basic liquidity in terms of setting up the company. So, but yeah, if you're starting something new, start afresh, start with a new feel, do something unique, and the idea should be something which can be scalable.
And after starting in the startup, like
Yeah.
पहली problem लोगों में आती है कि funding, scarcity of money.
Sure.
So वो अपने ideas कैसे pitch करें एक investor को कि investor उनमें interest लेके okay, I'll give you funding. ऐसा चीज कब आएगा उनके दिमाग में?
Okay. So many startups who are working in Indian ecosystem are able to survive their first 6 to 8 months if they have some basic liquidity, right? That's my first guidance to all the entrepreneurs who come into this field is you first make your base strong. You should definitely have some liquidity of running the operations for next for at least a year. Get the first round of funding is definitely difficult, but if you can convince your friends and families, or if you can convince your previous boss or your friends or anyone who can give you the first seed money,
Yeah.
so that can help you.